Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. Today I am going to talk a little bit about Sukkot and what it is and how it is celebrated, and go over one of the prayers that is said before each meal. So let's learn about the holiday of Sukkot. In Leviticus chapter 23, verse 34, we read about the 15th day of the 7th month. Sukkot is a Torah-commanded Jewish holiday, as well as a Samaritan holiday. Sukkot is also known as the Feast of Tabernacles, or the Feast of Booths. It is celebrated for 7 days from the 15th day of the month of Tishri. This is one of the 3 pilgrimage festivals for those Israelites who could make it to the journey to the temple. They were actually commanded to make a pilgrimage to the Temple of Jerusalem. You must be wondering, what is Sukkot so special? It is considered a week-long Jewish holiday that commemorates the 40 years that the Jews spent in the desert on their way to the Promised Land. It also celebrates the gathering of the harvest, and it commemorates God's miraculous protection and provision for the people of Israel when they left Egypt. On the first 2 days on sundown until nightfall, work is prohibited, and candles are lit in the evening. Meals follow and include challah, the challah bread, which is dipped in honey. It is also celebrated camping out in the Sukkot, which is like a little house that you could make outside, and it's made of different materials. Some people can use wood, but it is temporary. And in those Sukkots, they read scriptures, they tell stories from scriptures, they sing songs, and they do dances. And at the beginning of each meal in the Sukkot, a special blessing is recited. So let's just go over the pronunciation. I'm going to try to make this a little bigger. Baruch atah. Oh, let's start from the beginning. Baruch atah. This is abbreviation for Adonai, Eloheinu, Melech haolam, Asher kidshanu, b'mitzvotav. Let's do that again. B'mitzvotav v'tzivanu leshev b'sukkah. Let's go over it again. And let's look at the transliteration, where it's easier if you still having trouble reading Hebrew. This would help. So, Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu Melech haolam asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu leshev b'sukkah. And the English translation is, blessed That's Baruch. Blessed are you, Lord Adonai. These are words that we see a lot. Our God, King of the universe, who has sanctified us with his commandments and commanded us to dwell in the Sukkot. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short lesson on Sukkot. And if you want to know more about the celebration, you can always ask me questions, and I'd be more than happy to answer them. Okay, shalom, peace, and lehitraot. Goodbye. See you later.